Hello everyone and welcome to the Easy Drawing Time channel. Today we are going to draw and color Mickey Mouse and his friends Minnie Mouse, Pluto, Donald Duck, Daisy Duck and Goofy. First, I'm going to draw a big rectangle. Then, I'll divide it into 6 small squares.
Mickey Mouse!
Amazing!
Oh, it's so nice to see everyone! Hello!
I love my pen. I love my pen.
You're here! Well, I've definitely been waiting for you.
I love my pen. I love my pen. Now, I'm going to use this thick black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. Now, let's color all the squares behind our friends with the colors of the rainbow. Light red, orange, yellow, light green, light blue, purple, Good job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.